The appointment of Hlaudi Motsoeneng as Group Executive for Corporate Affairs to be illegal. The DA voiced its satisfaction after the Western Cape High Court ruling.
And says Motsoeneng should be removed from his office should he pitch up at Auckland Park. The ruling comes as the Adhoc Committee continues with the parliamentary inquiry into the SABC's affairs and the board's fitness to hold office.
The court ruled that Motsoeneng's recent appointment to the position of Group Executive for Corporate Affairs was unlawful. It also set aside an earlier disciplinary process which exonerated Motsoeneng following the Public Protector's report in 2014.
It is declared that unless and until the negative findings against Motsoeneng in the Public Protector's report are reviewed and set aside, or unless and until Motsoeneng is exonerated from the said negative findings by way of a valid disciplinary hearing, Motsoeneng may not hold any position at all in the second respondent, the SABC.
The court says a fresh disciplinary process against Motsoeneng, should there be one, must be initiated within 2 weeks of a new board's constitution. DA leader Musi Maimani says justice has been served.
We are of the complete view today it's a victory for justice. Mr. Motsoeneng cannot work at the SABC, and ultimately I'm also glad that he personally must pay back the cost for this case so he stops litigating on the basis of the taxpayers' money.
The SABC says it's studying the judgment.
At the present moment, our lawyers have just received the judgment and they are now studying the judgment, and only after they have studied the judgment they will be in a position to advise us on the way forward. At this present moment, we can't say anything further until we're given that judgment.
The court also found that the SABC and the board conducted themselves unlawfully for failing to implement the recommendations of the Public Protector's report. It says the SABC violated the Constitution by not assisting and protecting the Public Protector. The Public Protector found in 2014 that Motsoeneng was dishonest and had lied about his matric certificate. The Public Protector recommended that the SABC board take corrective action against him for this and for raising his salary illegally from 1.5 million to 2.4 million rand. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.